Hi, welcome to our channel, dear viewers. In this video I'll show you how to clean your USB charging port using household items, home remedies on your TCL 306. So, as you can see, in my charging port is a piece of paper, is a dart that's preventing the charging cable from going all the way into the connector, and now we are trying to clear it. So, I suggest you use an old toothbrush, and I not recommend you to use metal objects to clean your USB connector, because metal objects can damage moisture protection and the charging mechanism of your device. So take the brush in your hand, insert the one part of the brush into your connector and just try to pry the dirt out. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye.